In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly zoom in and out on your TradingView charts. TradingView is a powerful tool for analyzing financial markets, and mastering these basic navigation skills will enhance your ability to interpret data effectively. Let's start with the first method, which involves using your keyboard and mouse. If you want to zoom in on a specific part of your chart, all you need to do is press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Then, while holding down Control, simply scroll up with your mouse's scroll wheel. This action will gradually zoom in, allowing you to focus closely on the details of a particular segment, whether it's a candle pattern, support and resistance levels, or any other aspect you might be analyzing. Now, suppose you find yourself too zoomed in and you want to get a broader view of the data. The process to zoom out is just as simple. While still holding down the Control key, this time scroll down with your mouse's scroll wheel. This will zoom out, providing you a more comprehensive view of the market data on your screen. For those who might prefer not to use the keyboard shortcuts, TradingView also offers an alternative method for zooming. On the left side of your chart, you'll notice a series of icons. One of these is the Zoom In icon. Click on this icon and then hover your mouse over the specific part of the chart you're interested in examining further. Clicking on this area will smoothly zoom in, allowing you a precise view of the chosen section. To zoom out using this method, look again to the left column of Tools and you'll find the Zoom Out button. By clicking on this icon, the chart will adjust to a wider view, pulling back to show a more expansive section of the dataset. This technique is particularly helpful if you are studying long-term trends or want a quick overview of several trading sessions at once. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to zooming in and out in TradingView. Mastering these commands not only makes navigation more fluid, but can also significantly enhance how you interact with and interpret your charts. Whether you're diving deep into intricate price formations or stepping back to take in a broader market perspective, these functions will undoubtedly boost your analytical powers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice is key, so take some time to explore these features and see how they can best serve your trading strategy. Don't hesitate to replay this video or drop a comment below if you need further clarification. Happy trading, and until next time, keep those charts moving smoothly.